University of Human Development, UHD, is a non-profit university founded by Professor Dr. Ali Muhyiddin Qaradaghi, General Secretary of International Muslim Clerks in 2008. The university is under the supervision of Ministry of Higher Education and Scientific Research in Kurdistan Regional Government and Ministry of Higher Education and Scientific Research of Iraqi government. UHD certificate is organized by both governments. UHD was opened by His Highness late Imam Jalal Talabani, ex-president of Iraq, in 2008. UHD has approximately 3,000 students in addition to 7 rounds of graduates. Currently, the university has 5 colleges and 11 departments.
University of Human Development is a non-for-profit university in Kurdistan region of Iraq. It was founded by Professor Dr. Ali Muhyiddin Qaradaghi in 2008. UHD is licensed by Ministry of Higher Education and Scientific Research of Kurdistan region and also by Ministry of Higher Education and Scientific Research of Iraq.
In the field of research, UHD constructed a solid infrastructure. We have a research center to manage research in diverse disciplines, and we publish 2 accredited scientific journals. Part of our budget is dedicated to research and scientific projects. Since 2011, UHD has been organizing international scientific conferences annually. UHD is interested in cultural activities too. Various carnivals and festivals have been organized by students with the direct involvement of our staff.
Activities and entertainment is a big part of student life on campus. UHD provides a variety of activities for the students.
Here at UHD, students are prepared for their future. As a student, I have self-confidence for career success.
زانکوی گەشە پێدانی مرۆیی پێوەری دڵنیایی جۆری باشترین 5 زانکۆ بریتین لە زانکۆی گەشە پێدانی مرۆیی لە پێوەری چالاکی کەلتوری و پەیوەندی لەگەڵ کۆمەڵگا 4 زانکۆمان هەیە کە زانکۆی گەشە پێدانی مرۆیی بە هەمان شێوە لە توێژینەوەی زانستی زانکۆی گەشە پێدانی مرۆییمان هەیە و پێوەری کتێبخانە و گەیشتن بەسەر چاوە زانستیەکان بۆ زانکۆ تایبەتەکان 4 زانکۆمان هەیە بریتین لە زانکۆی گەشە پێدانی مرۆیی.
UHD retained in the first rank position in the National Universities ranking, NUR, since launching this project, and has also improved its rank in international ranking systems.
UHD is one of the top universities in Iraq, and I'm proud to be a UHD student.
Using technology in the classroom and the online communications help us engage more with our professors.
Undergraduate studies can't be the final phase of going to the university. Postgraduate studies have to follow as an opportunity for those who wish to continue their academic endeavor. Fortunately, we have achieved that. We currently run master programs in 3 colleges in partnership with the University of Soleimani for a joint degree.
Good luck to UHD and good luck to the 7th Annual Scientific Conference.